Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good. Hope you all are resonating with the readings, and let's see what's there in the day today. Beau- beau- Beatitude of Sacred Rupture. Sometimes I really love the energies of these cards, and sometimes because maybe it's new to me, I'm not able to understand the energies and I'm not able to understand few things. So I'm just trying to learn. Let's see. Okay, now that's the next card. Seven Blessings of Eve. Wow, that's a beautiful card actually. Combination of the card is also, I feel, in sync. So let's see what is in store for you today. So coming to the first card, I feel that you are trying to see more deeper into things. Maybe you're looking for more opportunities, you want to grow yourself more, you want to explore more, you want to become more busy, but you're not understanding one thing, that you're not trusting yourself. You're having a lot of self doubts on yourself. This is what I feel. That is why the person is turning back and as if like in reassurance, trying to see. But let me tell you one thing, only when you trust yourself you can be the biggest blessing for yourself, and you will see things clearly. So work on your heart, trust your inner heart, trust your soul, and understand one thing, that you are on the right path, and nobody better than you can decide and do the right things. Don't get trapped into unwanted opinions. Now, coming to the seven blessings of the Eve, actually, it is said that the blessings of the Eve is a spiritual blessing or a spiritual gift. But here I feel you will gain the knowledge and you will gain the wisdom that is lacking, and because of which sometimes you have your own self doubts. I feel that you will shift from whatever fears, and you will start accepting that you're blessed. Maybe today what you can do is have a bath with rose quartz water. Keep the rose quartz in the water for some time, and also, if possible, go for a walk today in the morning, and just remind yourself that you know where you're heading, and you know what you are, and you say yourself that I trust myself and I allow my focus to just be on the goals that I plan and not on anything else, because I know I am on the right path, and I'm sure this blessing of Eve will be the biggest blessing for you, and you will be able to overcome the obstacle or the fear or the lack of trust, and be positive in such a way that you will achieve that which you are seeking to desire for quite some time. Have a beautiful day ahead.